Hi, welcome to a tutorial by Full Web Solutions. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the basic steps in signing up for your domain name and your hosting account. Okay, so first step from Google, if you just type Full Web Solutions, and there you go. The first website that pops up is fullwebsolutions.com. So you go there, then so that's the fullwebsolutions.com website. So we want to do two things. We want to sign up for the domain and we want to sign up for the hosting account. Those are the two things you need in order to get a website designed. So domain registration on the top menu, which is the fourth item. Okay, this takes you to the domain name registration and transfer page. Uh, you would use the first option for a new domain and the second option if you are transferring over from a different provider, like from GoDaddy to Full Web Solutions or from Bluehost to Full Web Solutions. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll register a new domain. So you click on that, and that goes straight to the register domain page. Okay, so you're going to type your business name here. So this is the address of your website. So it could be your company name, your business name, and you'd have to spell out your business name uh, and make sure the spelling is right because once you register a domain, you own it. Okay, so if you own, let's say, A and B construction company, you can type like A and B construction company. Okay, so let's try this A and B construction company, and this is just an example. So when you hit search, congratulations, A and B constructioncompany.com is available. You can register for .com, .ca, .net, and so on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add to cart the .com. You can also add two. You can add the .com and then you can also add the .ca. But let's go ahead and add the .com. So now the domain has been added to your cart. Now we gotta add the hosting. Hosting is the storage space where your website exists. So the second thing which we have to do is sign up for the hosting account. So let's explore packages. So there are three packages we offer: basic, plus, and business hosting. The main difference being with basic hosting, you can set up one website. With plus hosting, you can set up five websites. And with business hosting, you can set up unlimited websites. With again with the basic hosting, you get 5 GB of space. With the plus hosting, you get 10 GB of space, and with the business hosting, you have unlimited space. And finally, with the basic hosting, you get one email account. So it could be anything like info at yourbusinessname.com. Uh, with the plus hosting, you get five accounts, and with the business hosting, you get unlimited email accounts. So let's go ahead and order the basic hosting. So so you picked your domain, you picked your hosting. Now you have to link the two so that your domain goes to your hosting. So choose the domain. Use a domain already in my shopping cart. Because we began by adding the domain in the cart, after adding the hosting, you have this option. Use a domain already in my shopping cart. So let's use that. So click on use. Okay. Okay, now we get to the configuration page. So This is for your hosting. This is where you pick your term. For 12 months, you end up getting a free domain for the first year. So you can see if I change this to 12 months, this is due today, right? So go ahead. Okay, so these are the configurations for the domain. DNS management, email forwarding, and ID protection. ID protection is something you should get that protects your personal information out to the public. So ID protection, continue. All right, so you can see this is the amount due today, and then starting the following year, it's 79.30, and that's because the first year the domain is free. This over here is for the ID protection, 495, but you don't pay for the actual domain. You get the domain for free for the first year. So we go ahead and check out. Okay, so you go to the checkout form, and let's say John Doe, say John Doe at gmail.com. Say okay, street address, say 123 Street, your city. Let's say Garden Shores. Say Ontario. Okay, change this to Canada first, and then we change this to Ontario. And let's say NOH 2C1. Okay, set up your password. Okay, so that's your password, and then you go ahead and put in your credit card number. So okay, so once you put in your credit card information, which I won't in this tutorial for privacy reasons, you click on you've read the terms and conditions, you've read and agree to the terms of service, and then you complete the order.